Hello lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Truly Tara, and here I do reviews and mainly unboxings. And today I have Macy's, and I'm so glad that I get Macy's. It's not an easy box to get. It's one of the less expensive boxes. It's like $19.99 with shipping. It's like $23. But you got to get on a wait list, and I mean, you really got to stay on top of the Macy's, or like you'll lose it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let's unbox this. This is the July. So when I opened the box, the first thing that I seen, and I was quite surprised. Oh, there, I see. I just found my scissors. Okay. So they have very much like an Ipsy bag, and it says, "Get your glow on." So I found that very interesting. All right. Okay. So next we have, MAC Fragrance Blend Variation Perfume, and it is turquoise. Yeah. I don't know. This looks, I don't know. I mean, that looks manly to me. Does it not? Perfumes bother me, so I mean, I appreciate it, but I don't like perfume because it gives me a really bad migraine. Okay, so next we have a mask, moisturizing aloe mask sheet, and this is from Tony Moly. So cool. Oh, yay! So I got some Sunbum sunscreen, so that's cool. And it is a sunscreen moisturizer. I want to go ahead and open this because I hear a lot about like Sol de Janeiro and and also Sunbum, and oh man, yes, oh, it smells so good. Oh, that is a great smell. Just coconut and beach, and yeah. Oh wow, that smells good. Yay. See, I love scents like that. Perfumes just do not do it for me. Okay. So next, oh yay, Elizabeth Arden Privage, a little sample, and I love that. This sheer oil-free multi-active skin defender delivers advanced protection against today's environmental aggressors. So this is, I've heard a lot about this. It's called City Smart DNA enzyme complex. So yes, I will be trying this. And what do you think of my red lipstick? Somebody talked me into wearing red. They said that like you could see my eyes, but like I needed color on my lips. So I hope you love it. All right, next we have Bumble and Bumble BB Hairdressers Invisible Oil Heavy Duty Protective Primer. So that smells really good. So that would be nice to... I don't really know what a hair primer is, but we'll try it. And it does smell really good. Or I'm still smelling the Sunbum, but no, like, yeah, it's a good smell. Okay, so last but not least, and they always do the $5 off. You can go in Macy's store and you get $5 off. They give one of these in every box, which I think that's really cool, on your next $20 beauty purchase. So love that. Okay, so now I got Buxom Plump Shot Collagen Infused Lip Serum. Do you know this is the first time that I have ever got a lip plumper in a box? Out of all of the boxes that I get, I've always wanted to try a lip plumper, except for Truly. They had, like, I got their gloat bag, but whenever I got it, the plumper, I think I dropped it and the lid broke, and so I just kind of ruined it. But other than that, this is the only lip plumper that I've ever got in a box. And I've always really, really wanted to try a lip plumper, but I refused to buy it because I knew that someday I would get one in a box. And I just figured I wouldn't really, I'd be let down with it, like, because I just don't believe that gloss is going to honestly plump up your lips. But we'll see. I mean, it's very tingly. And it feels nice. I mean, I feel it tingling, but like it's very smooth. So, yay, I finally got a lip plumper. That's cool. All right, so that is it for the Macy's box. And I wanted to show you guys the Illuminati quad, and I swear to goodness, I done went and I meant to have it like right here with me. Oh well. But you know, I just wanted to let y'all know that they did send the quad. I think I put it in one of the last videos, but I wanted to show it to you. And I really thought that I put it here. I've got the other one, but the one that was actually like my colors. Oh well. Oh well. So, okay, like, subscribe, comment. I got Ipsy coming today. I got something new called She Makery, which I've been waiting on for quite a long time. What else do I have? Lorella will be here in a couple of days. My P. Louise is going to be here today. So, yay, I'm so excited. And yes, I'm still down to, if I'm at 88. As of this morning, I got one new subscriber, so we are at 88. If we can get to 100 by Wednesday, and I think that we can do it. Like, seems like every time I put out a video, then I get 1-2 subscribers. So if we push, then maybe I can actually get to 100. And if I do, then we'll do another giveaway. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to shut up now. I'll see y'all in the next. Bye.